Hi, I'm Scott Neal with Schneider Electric. I'm the marketing director for the prefabricated data center modules, and I'm here today with Data Center Europe 2014 to introduce our new enhanced capabilities with prefabrication with the introduction of Schneider Electric and AST together from the AST acquisition earlier this year. So here we're to show our non-ISO IT module. The non-ISO is a larger module than a typical shipping container, so more spacious, more configurable, more capable of showing multiple rows of racks, multiple configurations of modules. Again, create more of a room type environment as opposed to a containerized type environment. So we've had this module is really targeted at the enterprise space, the different types of co-location type customers. This week we've had lots of interest from multiple segments of the market, from small to large enterprises and co-location and consultants as well. So it's been a very successful show, and we're getting lots of interest in the prefab module. So here we're standing in another part of the prefab module. In this case, we're in the mechanical space with a cooling system here, and you see fire suppression and other controls. Again, the space is very configurable. We can have this shown in many different areas: electrical room, entrance vestibule. And I want to talk a bit about the value of prefabrication as far as why customers are interested in this, what they're talking about this week. So one of the key things we're finding is that customers want faster deployment. This allows for that because it comes to them prefabricated, pre-engineered, pre-tested, ready to deploy. But it's also more predictable. Essentially, because we're pre-engineering it, this shows up on site with less construction needed, less hands touching it. Essentially, it's more predictable, and the cost that you're promised. And as well as it's flexible in both financially from a standpoint of saving CapEx and OpEx, but also allow you to scale and not oversize your data center. So a lot of value that prefab brings, but ultimately this equals simplicity for the customer. And so that's really what I think most customers see as they come through here today and see in the module is how it's simplifying their data center builds and future projects coming up.